AGG family, welcome back to Amazing Grace Garden, home to divine treasures. Alright y'all, so I am at Lowe's, okay, and I got some things in the buggy. I will show y'all when I get home, because I'm actually trying to get this stuff, trying to figure out what I actually want, because they prices is still on the don't really say take me home. But y'all, it's time to get this garden together, okay? Today is March 11th, 2025. March 11th, 2025, okay? So I'm looking at different things. I got some goodies in the buggy, but I will show y'all. Like, look at this, one plant for $4.98. I'm not paying for that. One plant $4.98, okay? Look at this right here. Nah, $5.98 for. I think I got some kale. I don't need no more of that, alright? But let me show y'all. They do have grape trees, fig trees, blackberries. The blackberries here is flowering. They got mulberries, blueberries. Yeah, so that's what they have, and they $13.98, okay? $13.98 for those. I feel like they losing money, and they should know they are by how they got these one plants in the thing. Look at this, Texas sweet onions. See, I like them like this. I don't see like what's the price of them. Like, that's a lot, but I don't see the price of them. But I think I got onion bulbs that I can get them straight to that, okay? So I ain't no need of spending money on that, alright? So let's go down here, because it's that time, okay? Without showing you what's in my buggy. Let me get over here to the sun, because it's 70 degrees today, but there's wind. The wind makes it cold, okay? I saw my snapdragons. Y'all know I love snapdragons, and I love Dusty Millers. And I saw snapdragons, yeah, right here, but they the bigger pots. I don't mind having the smaller one, so we're gonna go in and see what we can find, okay? Because I think they have the smaller ones over here. So like, okay, right here they got 5 for $5. All right, so they got the Dusty Millers. I like those. They have pansies. I don't see my snapdragon. Is that them down here? Let's see. Yes. So I'm guessing they are the 5 for $5. Well, let's see. The hanging baskets are 2 for $15. The one paint annuals are 5 for $5, y'all. 5 for $5. 5 for $5. Hey y'all, let me bring y'all up. So I am back home, okay? And I came from Lowe's, and I told y'all I had got some goodies, okay? It's that time. Let me raise y'all up a little bit more. It's that time. There we go. My head kind of cut off, but it's all right. It's that time of the year, y'all, okay? I can't focus like this one. There we go. It's that time of the year. So let me show y'all what I got from Lowe's for the garden center. I thought these were some good prices, okay? Because sometimes they be a little higher. But first, we got the blackberry. Now, I already got a blackberry from like 3 years ago. We're gonna see what it gonna do or whatnot. But I want to go ahead and get another one. So let me see. I see it over there. But we're gonna see what it's gonna do. So I got this blackberry bush. It's already flowering. Look, y'all. Let's see. You see that? See the flower right there? It's like right here. Okay, so it was $13.98. This is a good looking one. All right, so I got that one. And then I got this blueberry one because that's something I don't know if they accidentally got pulled up. I don't know what the case is, but I'm missing all 3 of my blueberry bushes. So I don't know. So I got me another blueberry bush, and it is flowering too. Look at that, it is so pretty. So let me see if it tells me which one. And this was $13.98 too. Let me see. Oh, it's got a flower in it. Now it just say, oh yeah, it's a sharp blue blueberry. That's all it says, sharp blue blueberry. Okay, so that one is a pretty one. I can tell by the things, the leaves is gonna be very pretty. The leaves kind of remind me of the pink, I think the pink lemonade blueberry or something like that. Then I got a great one. Okay, I got a great one. All right, and that's the way it looks. Cause I have my grape and my muscadine, and I haven't saw those. I think when we pulled it over here, I think they got pulled up by mistake, and I think they got tossed when I had them over here in the ground. Okay, that's what I'm thinking happened to them. Okay, I'm sorry if the lighting is over in the evening time. I will try to fix that when I edit this video, but yeah, it's some darkness going on because of how the sun is. Okay, today, I think I said it in the beginning, was 70 degrees today, and we're supposed to have 70 some degrees for the rest of the week, by 70 about the next 7 days. So I'm happy about that. Then I got a mulberry. Look at that, that is so pretty. $13.98 for this potted plant too. So I'm excited about that. It say DWF ever-bearing blueberry, mulberry. So that's what that is. All right, so like I say, we got Amazing Grace going back the way it used to be for the most part. So y'all know I used to always do flowers in the garden. The last couple years I haven't done them because I had a lot going on. So guess what, yes, now I'm gonna be dropping my own seeds for some flowers, but these are just to get me started. Got some snapdragons. Yes, I am. Now these like, let me see, if did I say today is March 11, 2025. Okay, now I'm gonna try to get this video up for y'all because these are 5 for $5. Okay, they say $1.98, but they 5 for $5. Okay, at Lowe's. So I got the snapdragon. I got I think, let me see, 1, 2, this is another snapdragon. I got this snapdragon. So I got 3 snapdragons. Then I got this one right here. This is a Mountain Annual. It is the Diantheus or something like that. Look at that, that is so pretty. So I got one of them. No, actually I got 2 of those. I got 2 of those. And then I love me some pansies. Okay, so I got the white pansies. The girls helped me pick these out for the colors. Let's see, over here I got this is a viola. Okay, to me they favor pansies, but it's a viola. Okay, all right, like a small version of pansies. And those are yellow. Another viola. And these are all 5 for $5 now. And this is a mixed one. Well, more like purple, white, and yellow. Alright. And then we have, what are you? Oh, petunia. My petunia. I like petunias too. I also like the there's another one started with a B. It ain't petunia. It's one that started with a B. It's on the tip of my tongue, but I like them too. I didn't see none of them though. And then I had my son to hand me and he don't want to be dealing with no like colorful flowers and stuff, so I understand. I had him though to have me one of the Dusty Millers. Y'all know I had to get one of them. Probably will get some more, but I like the Dusty Millers. Dusty Millers always been my favorite. I came across this plant in 2020 and I've liked it ever since. So the last couple years, yes. Dusty Millers looks like it has a frost on them to me. They green and got like a frosty looking color. So yeah, that's what I got. That was my garden haul from Lowe's. Okay, so I'm super excited about that. Okay, so yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed this garden haul. Make sure y'all looking, don't spend too much because we can drop seeds and stuff, but make sure y'all looking for like the 5 for $5, the little cheap deals and whatnot, and get those to start y'all garden. Okay, so I got a lot of more stuff coming y'all way. The weather is good now. I'm ready to rock and roll out here in this garden. So with that being said, I will end this video right here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all hit that notification bell so we notified each and every time that I upload a video. And I will see y'all in the next one if it's God's will. Y'all please be safe. Love y'all. Bye.